Soontrue is a renowned packaging machinery manufacturer that offers innovative and efficient solutions for various industries. Our dedication to quality and customer satisfaction has earned us a reputation as a trusted partner in the packaging industry. For Interpack 2023, Soontrue is going to introduce you our wide range of products as HFFS, VFFS, pre-made pouch packaging machine, tissue paper making and packing line, multi-lane sachet packaging machine, cartooning machine, automatic packing line, and end-of-line packing solution for different applications. Through several control upgrades and extensive use of robots, our solutions offer stability and efficiency to our customers' production capabilities while reducing overall operating costs. Welcome to Interpack 2023 to know more about Soontrue's high-quality and innovative packaging solutions.